Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a controller to a Zen. First, ensure your Zen is connected to your computer via the mini USB port labeled Prog. Next, install the Zen Studio software and update your Zen's firmware to the newest version. This crucial step ensures compatibility and access to all features. Finally, connect your preferred controller to the Zen's, a 1 USB port using a high-quality, data-transferring cable. This setup prepares your device for optimal performance. Once your Zen is connected, open Zen Studio on your computer. Head to the Device tab to verify that your Zen is recognized and ready. Then, move over to the Programmer tab, where you can browse and select from a wide array of game packs or custom scripts. Simply drag and drop your chosen script onto one of the 8 available memory slots. This action loads the script onto your Zen, preparing it for use with your controller. For many consoles, an authentication step is necessary. Connect your console's original, licensed controller to the Zen's, a 3 USB port. This authenticates the Zen with your console, allowing it to function correctly. It's important that this authentication controller remains connected to the Zen throughout your gaming session. Some specific controllers might also require a dedicated data cable to ensure proper and consistent authentication. With everything configured, you're ready to play. Disconnect the Zen from your computer and connect it to your console using the mini USB port labeled Output. Use the Zen's onboard buttons to cycle through and select the memory slot corresponding to your loaded script. Once selected, your controller will now operate with the enhanced features provided by the Zen. Enjoy your optimized gaming experience with precision and control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.